how to buy DUNA or DUNA token, I guess. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, before going and buy this token, make sure to check their community on X. As you can see, they have a 2,000 member. As you can see, you can find all of these posts from people that posting about this token, and keep following the updates about this token. Now this token, as you can see, it's available on the screener. If you don't have an account on it, just go and create one. And as you can see, this token, the liquidity unlocked by 99% of that's mean your investment in the safe place. This token came under Solana network, and to be able to buy it, just click here to copy the token address and go to your Phantom wallet. After that, click on swap. Make sure you have enough Solana on your network, on your wallet. Sorry. Now click. Go back and click here, and now paste the token address. As you can see, now this is our token. Just click on it, and after that, just type how much you want to buy. Wait a few seconds, and this is how much you will receive. Now after that, select the provider from here, for example Jupiter. Make sure you read all of that information, and after that, click on swap, and you will be redirected to Jupiter provider to be able to buy this token without any issue. If you find any issue on your buy process on Jupiter or OKX, now go back to this page and switch the slippage from here, because the most problems it came in the slippage issue. So just switch the slippage from here or custom it from here. So you can type 3, 5, or decrease it or increase it. So after that, you will be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy the DUNA token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.